Hello dear students. In the previous videos we learned about square numbers, their properties, and we used those properties to solve exercise 6.1. In this video we are going to learn how to find the squares of natural numbers. There are various methods to find the squares of natural numbers. The most easiest one is direct multiplication. Now you have already learned how to find the square. The square is the product of a number by itself. Now how to find the square of numbers? Let us see. The first question is to find the square of 23. How to find the square of 23? Multiply 23 by itself. It is simple multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and then add them. You got the answer 529. So 23 square is equal to 529. How to write it? We can write it as 23 square is equal to 529. Okay. Now here is another example. Find the square of 48 or find 48 square. How to find? Multiply 48 by itself. 48 multiplied by 48. How to multiply? 8 8s are 64. Then carry 6. 8 4s are 32 plus 6, 38. Now with the next digit, that is 8 4s are 32. Carry 3. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19. Then add them. 4, 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4 plus 9 13. 1 carry 1 plus 1 2. That is 48 square is equal to 2304. Okay. Now let us see the second method. In class 7 you have learnt about identities. Do you remember those identities? We learned 2 to 3 identities in class 7. The first identity was a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now to find the square, what we have to do is the given number you have to write in the form of identities. So you see here 23. You have to think how to write 23 as a sum of a zero ending number and any one digit number, or a multiple of 10 and a one digit number. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 whole square. Now in place of A you have 20, in place of B you have 3. So in this part of the identity, put the values of A as 20 and B as 3. See here, A square, that is equal to 20 square. 2AB means 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3, and B square is 3 square. Now it is easy to find the square of 20, which is equal to 400. Multiplied here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 120, 3 3s are 9. Now when you add this all, you get 529. Now let us see one more example. 103 whole square, that is the square of 103. What we have to do? First write 100 as the sum of a zero ending number and a one digit number. So which number is ending with 0? Nearer to this number, which number ends with 0? 100. So 100 plus 3 is 103. So write 103 as 100 plus 3, then square. Now use this identity. In place of A you have 100, in place of B you have 3. So what is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what is 100 plus 3 whole square? 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. Now how to find 100 square? 1 ones are 1. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. So in the square you will have 4 zeros. Correct. Now 2 into 1 into 3. 2 threes are 6. I take this 2 zeros. 3 threes are 9. Add all this, you will get 10,609. Okay. Now let us see identity 2. What is identity 2? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the first identity, here it was plus, so here also it was plus. That is the only difference. Okay. Now let us see one example. If you have to find the square of 39, that is 39 square. So you have to think 39 is nearer to which zero ending number? Which zero ending number is nearer to 39? 40. So 40 minus 1 is 39. So write 39 as 40 minus 1. So 39 square is 40 minus 1 whole square. Now in place of A you keep 40 and in place of B you keep 1. So what is it? 40 square minus 2 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. That is 40 square is 1600 minus 2 into 40 into 1 is 80 plus 1. So 1600 minus 80 is 1520 and then plus 1. So 1521. Now let us take little bigger number, that is 97 square. 97. So which zero ending number is nearer to 97? Yes, 100. So 100 minus 3 is 97. So in place of 97, we will write 100 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to, in place of A minus B whole square. A is here 100, B is 3. So 100 minus 3 whole square is 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. What is 100 square? Is 10,000. 2 into 100 into 3 is 609. 3 square is 9. Okay. So here you got 9,400 plus 9, which is equal to 9,409. Now let us see one trick to find the squares of numbers with unit place 5. Now let us see the examples. 25 square. So this number ends with 5. What we have to do is take this digit or the digits other than the unit place. That is 2. First you write 2. Multiply it with 1 more than this number. What is 1 more than 2? 3. So 2 3s are 6. Multiply it by 100 and then add 25. That is 2 3s are 6. 6 multiplied by 100 600 plus 25, which is equal to 625. Let us see one more example. 55 square. So first leave this number 5. What is remaining? 5. 5 and then 1 more than 5. What is 1 more than 5? 6. So multiply them and then multiply by 100. So 5 6 are 30. 30 multiplied by 100, 3000 and then add 25. So 3000 plus 25, 3025. Another example, 145 square. You see, keep this number away. That is, what do you get? 14. So 14 and 1 more than 14, 15. So 14 multiplied by 15, we get 210. And that product to multiply by 100. So 14 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 100, you get 21,000 and then add 25 to it, you get 21,025. Now let us see exercise 6.2. The first question is to find the square of the following numbers. Okay. See, I have taken 3 examples. All the 3 examples are done with different methods. The first one is done directly. The second one and third one are using identities. Both the methods which we have already learned. So let us see how to find the first question, that is 32 square. How to find 32 square using the first method, directly multiplying them. 32 multiplied by 32. So if you wish to find all the sums using this method, you can do that. So 32 multiply 32, when you multiply, we get 1024. Okay. Now question number 2, I have used identity method. 35 is equal to 30 plus 5. Which identity it is? A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here what is A? 30. So A square is 30 square. What is B? 5. So 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 5 plus B square, that is 5 square. So when you multiply, 30 square is 900, 2 into 30 into 5 is 300 and 5 square is 25. And when we add, we get 1225. So this is using identity 1. Now the third question I have done using identity 2. What is identity 2? A minus B whole square, which is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. What is A here? 90. So 90 square minus 2 into 90 into 4 plus 4 square. So what is 90 square? 8100 minus, when you multiply this, we get 720. 4 square is 16. So now what we have to do? These two numbers we have to subtract. 8100 minus 720, we get 7380 plus 16, which is equal to 7396. So I have given you one example of each. There are 3 more questions. You can use any method and solve it. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.